Welcome to Bonus Vlogmas, where we are out on the hunt for checking things out in our local area. We have come to Ipswich today on looking for John Lewis to find some gloves, pink gloves to match my other stuff. I think there is another one here because we've come here. Does it say it? No, there. It looks like mistakes were made. So we're going to go in and see if there's any furniture in there we want for the new place, and see if there's. I think there's one in town, because I'm pretty sure there was a puzzle I was looking for, that Freddie Mercury puzzle, and I'm pretty sure they said it was in stock in Ipswich. So let's go in and have a look. How do we feel about these guys? They creep you out? Yeah. Interesting blue ones. Should we get another pink neon starlight? Glass dinosaurs, knitted roller skates. These are outdoor ones.
Yeah, the indoor or outdoor.
Indoor and outdoor. Oh, right, okay, so little dangly bits.
They're the ones you'd like, yeah?
Yeah. We totally forgot to build our gingerbread houses. I think we were too busy moving houses. These look cute. I wonder how quickly I could eat one. This guy. Doing good things, this guy. Got quite a few jigsaw puzzles, but I can't find the Freddie Mercury one. It said it had 2 in stock, and the lines looked for me as well. But sad face. Sad face. Cushions! Hello, gorgeous. He's off into the technology department again. Look at this. My God, the kittens would love that. It would be great for displaying stuff, but it's got 3 lots of this. It would have to go in the snug though, wouldn't it? Thank you, baby. So, are you going for the extra hot then?
I want to try it.
You want to try it?
Maybe on a chip.
Ooh. That's a bit more than the last dab. So hot?
Not really.
It's tingly on the tongue. It's got the flavour of really hot. Lemon chicken wrap, coleslaw, cheeks. And I'm going to have that one. We've refueled and we're now in B&Q to change out the finials we bought yesterday because they're too small. So we need to switch these out for a larger size. And now we've started looking at lawn mowers. They've got up there, just up there, can you see? There. They've got the little like Roomba versions of lawnmowers. It's quite good fun. The Lion keeps looking at all the cordless electric ones because he's a fan. We're back home now, but because I didn't get a chance to do it before we went out, I'm going to show you my outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this V-necked white t-shirt. I think it was from H&M. Not really sure. I've had it for donkey's years. My pink M&S sporty kind of wide leg trousers. I didn't go out in my slippers. I wore my Bowden embroidered, gold embroidered ones, and it was the first run out for my new Versace scarf. Look at the colours. I thought the green and the pink went together rather well. So I tied it round and then tied it here. Within seconds of leaving the house, the wind flipped up, scarf into my lipstick. So I've got a new pink Dior, thank you Yota, Secret Santa, pink Dior lipstick print on here somewhere. My room, still not sorted out yet, still kind of halfway house. Looking at furniture from IKEA, starting to wonder if the road noise, and there was an incessant banging yesterday when it was windy, would be a bit too much for me. This is the girls' room. They're basically free-range kittens now, although Daisy prefers to hang out in here. Look at what they've done. I mean, we knew we were going to have to recarpet, but look at what they've done to this poor Poor carpet, look at that. They've really gone to town on it. Daisy is a big fan of her cat tree. Hello. Hello, little one. You like it up here? We've got Classic FM on for them on the Sonos, because that's what they listened to when we first brought them home from the rescue centre. Isn't it, baby? Yes, baby. And there is a black cat out there somewhere who keeps coming into our garden and flirting with the girls. Look, this is our view. Okay, you're not going to be able to see it very well because it's getting dark. But basically we've got bungalows behind us, and behind those bungalows we've got fields. So we get a lot of sky. It's lovely. You have been a bit of a scaredy cat, haven't you? We let them have free rein of the house last night for the first night overnight. And they went to town. They were running up and down the stairs 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. Definitely, yeah, enjoying that freedom. But they've been really good. And, you know, if they freak out or anything, they come back in here. Yes, there she is. Hi, Lily. Hello, little Lily lump. Because we've been out today, I think it's freaked them out. We just utilised the screws that were already in there. So we need to move that up the wall a bit. Curtains are up. I need to get the finials. I'll show you what we bought downstairs. This is the view out the front. Houses. Got a house there with twinkly lights on. And then our neighbour's house has got the green bits there. And the curtains have made a real difference. It was feeling quite cold in here. Can we see if we can get a lily? Can we see if we can get a lily? Oh, Lily baby. It's too dark to see you. Can I put the duvet back? Hey baby. Lily Bean. Lily's been the brave one. She's the one that's been going downstairs. We let the girls go downstairs on Christmas Day. Daisy freaked out, but she was better today because we left them overnight free-range kittens. So she managed to go down and have a little look around while it was all quiet. And she was okay having breakfast down there, wasn't she? You were ready 2 days ago to have breakfast down there, although you probably wouldn't think it, given as how you're now hiding under the duvet. You gonna come out? Lily, you gonna come out? It's just Daddy. It's just Daddy Cat. Okay, okay. We'll leave her to it. It may not look like it, but things are a little bit clearer in here. Now we've got a hanging rail out in the sort of lobby area. That's where our record player is going to go. And we do still have boxes everywhere, obviously, and I need to find a better place to put the laundry. The girls had their breakfast down here this morning. First up, finials to finish off the curtain rod in our bedroom. We'll put those up in a minute. The Lion picked out these icicle lights. These will be hanging outside. We're not going to put the lights up outside this year, are we? We're going to wait till next year. We'll just test them. Yeah. So we've got 2 sets of those. 2 sets of those. Very exciting. I got a puzzle. This is Phenomenal Women puzzle. It's 1,000 pieces, and this was £18 reduced to £7. So a bit of a bargain. That bit of a bargain. Ooh, I don't know where to put things. There. Got this little teddy bear Christmas decoration. He's the John Lewis bear, but he's also got the Give a Little Love heart on it, and I'm a big fan of all the Give a Little Love bits. Apparently, you had to be a My John Lewis card holder to buy that. You weren't allowed to otherwise. I bought this new decoration for the tree as well. This is in celebration of our new home because this is a posting box. Now for all of my all of my American viewers, we don't have mailboxes like this in the UK. They come straight into our house. We've got a hole in the front door as a letterbox. So I thought that was quite cute, and it's pink as well and glittery, and it looks a bit kitsch. So happy with that. I'll put that on the tree in a minute. Picked up where's the other one? There we go. Picked up a couple of fresh towels in this beautiful bubblegum pink. These were on special 20% off. Very excited for those. My white ones are looking a bit ragtag. And the last thing is this beautiful George Jensen Christmas tree topper plated with 18 karat gold. I've looked at these George Jensen decorations before. I think they're beautiful, but I thought they were excessive full price, and when they go in the sale they don't hang around for long. So this is it. This is gorgeous, look at that. So it comes with some red ribbon, you can see there, red ribbon, and so you can hang it if you wanted to hang it from something. Or it comes with, oh gosh, how am I supposed to get that out? So you've got the ribbon, or you've got this option here, which I believe, where does that go? Oh, that goes in there. Which turns it into a tree topper, which I might try on the tree if I can find the step. But I think the step is upstairs. That is the right way around, isn't it? Yeah. So this was reduced to £25, and to be honest, I would have paid 40 was going to be my maximum for this. But isn't it beautiful? Look at that. It's making me think of my diptyque candle toppers. And we've got lots of ideas for sofas, so we can replace the knackered sofa in our living room. Right, let's put these decorations on the tree. I think you might go there. Oh, he's so cute. And our new one for the house. Right, there we go. Tripping over boxes behind me. Cute. Does kind of have a similar vibe to the diptyque. I might just put you on the side for the time being. Nope. I'm not, because it's going to fall over, and we don't want it to fall over. I'm not ready for Christmas to be over yet. That looks so much better. It finishes it off nicely. Anyone else recognise these wooden sort of slats that go up? The lion tells me that this wooden beam thing went in because that is a concrete lintel. So the wooden beam is screwed into the wall where the concrete lintel is 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then anything that you want to put up as a window dressing, you attach to that wooden beam instead of to the wall. Saves you trying to drill into the concrete lintel every time. However, it is too skinny for the base of our things. Whatchamacallums? Curtain rod struts. No, let's do that. And has split. So we're going to replace that with a slightly longer one. And then that will allow us to drop, because at the moment this is just skimming the top of the radiator, the curtains, and I want to be able to tuck them behind the radiator to keep more of the heat in. So we will do that in the next, hopefully in the next few days. We could have got the wood today at B&Q, but we totally forgot. Lily's still in the bed, although she's moved up around by the pillows now. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.